Hi everyone. In this video I will tell you that how to multiply of two numbers in Python ideally. So first we will take two numbers. Suppose A1 equal to 78. Second number A3 equal to 45. Two numbers taken, now multiply it. For multiplication we will take another variable m equal to a1 into a3. So first take two numbers and first number store in the variables, second number store in the variables, and then afterwards this variable we will call it. Multiplication done. Multiplication process is done. Now we will call to the multiplication, then we will get it to the answer. See, 3510. This is the interactive mode. Same things we will do to the script mode. File menu, new file, right here, A1 equal to 78, A3 equal to 45, then m equal to a1 into a3, then call to the print command, print, then write quotation on, then multiplication of two numbers, then close the quotation, comma, and then write m. So this is for this command. When process is done, now I want to display it. What is the output will generate? So that is why we will call to the print command. One more, you should write question. So questions we will write through the comment line. So hashtag, then write same things, multiplication of two numbers. It is not necessary, but whenever you will write the any program, so that times you should write the question. So this question is completed. Now we will go to the run command. So run module F5. Press the OK button to save. Now asking for saving. So I have already created one folder in the E folder in the E drive, and in the E drive C you can see the Python program. Here two programs I have done already, sum and subtraction. I have already taught that. So now write P3, program 3, multiplication, mul. Save. Now see the answer. I hope that this video is very helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.